Good day everyone. Manual radar plotting tayo ngayon. Plot number 1. Ito yung details na sa screen. Then, ang tatanda natin, mag-take early evasive action tayo if necessary. Then, maintain tayo ng CPA not less than 1 mile. Let's go. First step is take note natin yung own shape data natin from the scenario natin. Sulat natin dito para di natin malimutan. Next is we take the first bearing at saka first observation natin. Then plot natin sa maneuvering board. We will label it R. And the next observation, M. Plot natin. Then we make a line, R to M. RML ang tawag doon sa line na yun. So after the RML, makukuha na natin si CPA by putting a right angle perpendicular line, then BCPA. Then sulat natin CPA and BCPA. After that, kunin natin yung R to M na distance to get the relative speed, 6-minute rule. Then we get the M to CPA na distance. Yung distance na makukuha natin, gagamitin natin yun para makuha si TCPA. Now, 6.5 yan pag measure natin. Then, punta tayo sa baba sa nomogram natin. We use the 21 knots. Then, the 6.5, makakuha natin 18 minutes. So, 18 minutes yung magiging traveling time ng relative motion line mo dito. Relative motion mo dyan. So, 18 minutes plus yung last observation natin, which is 12:06 plus 18, magiging 12:24 yung magiging TCPA natin. Now, the next na kukunin natin is the TTC and TTS. First, kukuha tayo ng ating own ship vector. Okay, 270, 12 knots. Then, i-drag natin papunta sa R. Then, yung magiging dulo nun is the E. So, remember, E is the source of all true vectors. So, E to M, yan yung vector ng target. So, E to M, distance is 1.8. So, sa 6-minute rule, that is 18 knots. And then, guhit tayo ng mahabang linya, drag natin sa gitna, then we will get the TTC. The target true course will be 180. Tapos, sulat natin doon. TTC, 180. TTS, 18 knots. Now, let's go to the next one, the target aspect. So, yung target aspect naman, ito yung magiging formula mo sa target aspect. Yung bearing ng M plus minus the 180 minus mo sa TTC. Okay? Naming nun, R kung port, G kung nasa starboard side. Now, ito yung label ko siya. Ito yung bearing ng M, tapos ang reciprocal nun is the 125. So, yung target true course is 180. Yung bearing dyan sa gitna, yan yung target aspect. Okay, yan yung target aspect. So, the difference would be 55. So, magiging target aspect mo is 55. Tapos, ngayon, check natin. Drawing ko ng barko dyan. Just barko ng kabila. So, makikita natin, this is a crossing situation. So, nasan banda tayo? Nasa port side ng target. So, magiging aspect natin dyan is the R if nasa port side tayo ng target. So, R, 55 degrees. Then, ang crossing situation natin. Crossing situation. Okay? Ayan. Giging crossing situation yan. Now, as you can see, meron na tayo. Kompleto na tayong details. Crossing situation. Meron tayong CPA na 2.5 nautical miles. So, ano yung gagawin natin? Meron ba tayong collision? Okay, no risk of collision kasi CPA is 2.5 nautical miles. So, we maintain our course and speed. Yun yung magiging action natin dito sa scenario.
Subscribe to my channel!